In this video, we're going to talk about how to use brand analytics to do keyword research. So brand analytics is going to provide you with the most accurate data to work with. It's by far the most popular place to go regarding keyword research and the best place to go, in my opinion. So we'll go straight into it. So in order to access top search terms through brand analytics, you need to have brand registry. So you need to make sure your Seller Central account has had its trademark issued, and you got the brand registered. And once you do, you get access to brand analytics, which you can find here if you like under brands through Seller Central. And then for this particular video, we're going to be focusing on the top search terms under search analytics. So this is the area where Amazon basically gives you the top ranked terms at a 24-hour period. So you can see here, this isn't the volume of the traffic that's coming through those terms, but this is those that's receiving the most. So as you can probably tell by the types of searches that are coming in now, it's December, it's coming up towards Christmas. So Christmas trees, Christmas movies is kind of some of the top search terms on Amazon. So now that's what you have here on like in terms of ranking. So you've got all the terms that have been searched, but on the right hand side you've got what categories come in those top search terms, and also the top three ASINs. Now, not only can you see the top three ASINs for any given search term, but you can also look at their click share. So you can see here for Christmas tree, this particular brand, let me just get this brand up. This particular Christmas tree has the top search term. So it's got a top search term of about 5%. So it's got the top click share of that search term. So it's got 5.23% click share. And then you've got this ASIN, which has got 4.71% click share. And then this particular ASIN, which is a 4.01 ASIN. So it's fairly well spread out within this particular product type, the amount of clicks that are coming in. Now, with this click share information, you can really understand kind of who are at any given point at the top of the rank for particular terms, and you can look at different weeks or months or quarters. So if you're doing some keyword research, you might actually just want to look at a quarterly reporting period, just to give you a much more higher overview in terms of the ASINs that are appearing. So this is to kind of clarify, this is put in order of the click share. So just because this is receiving the highest click share, as you can see, this example has got just because this particular ASIN has got the highest click share, 5.23, its conversion share is only 1.66. So the conversion share is the number of sales that are coming in for that particular ASIN through that term. So it's only got a conversion share of 1.66. And if we look at this particular term, it's got a conversion share of 3.78. So way more sales are coming through this particular ASIN. But from Amazon's point of view, they're not ranking it on where the top conversion share is coming from. So that's something else that you need to bear in mind. So what you can do now is you can actually put the terms that you want to show to Amazon to show you for. So let's just say you sell products that are related to dog treats. So if I put dog treats here and click refine results, what you're going to have is you're going to have all of the terms top search terms for dog treats. So the most obvious thing you can do here is generate a download, and then download these terms, go through them, figure out what's relevant to your products, and then you can actually conduct your keyword research that way. So that's kind of the more basic and general way of doing so. So that's the first step. But then what we can do is, let's just say if we look at dog treats, so if I click on this one here, you can see here this particular product is really really popular, and it's getting the highest click share. And we can take that ASIN. So let's just take the ASIN from here. So you can take that ASIN and then you can paste it into products. So as well as actually looking at search terms and downloading the search terms, you can look at, okay, where else does this ASIN rank well? Where else? So you can see here, These are all the other keywords this particular ASIN has ranked in the top position. So that's one way you can also conduct your keyword research. You can generate a download. Now, as well as doing this, what you can also do is you can actually search on Amazon. Let me just click here. So it's something I've done earlier. So you can search on Amazon dog treats, and then on here you have all of the ASINs. So you can take all of the ASINs that are relevant to the type of dog treat that you sell, and just be wary as well to look to make sure that it's very similar to the product that you want to sell, because sometimes Amazon might index, for example, like chomps. It might not be as relevant to the type of product that you're selling, or it could be chews, and you don't really want to have your products appear for chew toys and so on. So you want to make sure that you're looking at the right products, but you got all of the ACEs that you can download. And what might make your life easier here is if you have the extension, the Helium 10 extension, and you can actually click on it and click on X-ray, and you can then have a list of all of those ASINs that appear for dog treat. You can click download, and then you can upload that to Google Sheets. And when you do that, you can actually just copy and paste those ASINs in. So not only are you looking at one term, you're looking at, okay, all the products that appear on the top page for dog treats, what other terms are they also appearing for? And here you have a list of terms that you could download. You can actually take this as a step further outside of just keyword research, and you can look at, okay, these are the terms that rank really well for these particular phrases which I want to target. What are they doing in terms of their product title? What are they doing in terms of the descriptions? And you can kind of mimic what they're doing, or just get a good understanding. So this is something you could do with these products. Now, as well as using multiple ASINs with the Helium 10 extension for a search term, another option that you have available to you is you can actually go into the category. So I'm using this extension, so this isn't helpful, but in terms of how you can find it, if you scroll down into the product details section, you can see, okay, so it's ranked number 9 under dog treats. So if you click on that, it will show you here within this category what is selling the most products, right? So you got all of these ASINs, and these are the ASINs that are really getting the sales in, starting on number 1, 2, and 3. So what you can do here is, I think you can also use X-ray to you can use it to fetch these as well. So you can download them, and then you can place these through brand analytics to find and then download and sort. So then this will give you a really good idea of how to target, what keywords to target from the best source of information. So this is definitely a great place to go. If you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe. We'll be adding more videos like this, and I'm sure there's going to be more detail brought into this in terms of how to do keyword research and many other topics around Amazon advertising. If you wish to get an audit from us, you can scan the QR code, or there's going to be a link below. And we also do have a community on Score where we bring some of our clients and greatest minds in this space together, where they talk about all things Amazon. You're welcome to join to get into the discussion, and that isn't really focused just around advertising, but any other topic around Amazon. So hope you found this video useful. Take care. Goodbye.